Amelia,
Mom?
what are you doing?
Mom?
What are you
Mom?
doing? You giving Bootsy treats?
Chip?
Treat? For who?
Manam.
Yummy. Who's this? Who is this?
Okay.
Who is this, baby? Say Bootsy? Look at all those treats. Does Grammy let Bootsy have that many treats? Does Grammy let Bootsy have that many? Amelia? Did you put your hat on by yourself? Look at Mommy. Look at Mom. Hey, baby. Did you put your hat on by yourself? Oopsies.
Mom.
Bootsy wants more? It's almost like Bootsy's at Grandma's house.
Huh?
Getting all kinds of snacks, huh? Okay, no more. No more. No more. Bootsy's had enough. No more. No. 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 Where's the lid for the snacks, babes? Where's the lid? Amelia, where's the lid for the snacks? Where is it? Let's go find it. Come on, let's go find the lid. Grammy's not gonna let us stay home alone with the Boots again.